Okay, so what we've got here, and for you haters on YouTube, I've put more love into this trailer than anybody else in the last probably 30 years, all right? So don't give me any crap about tearing this thing apart. What we have already is a fully restored frame, okay? New tires, restored rims, everything's been epoxy, paint, new bearings. This is built to the original spec, the floor. And I had to custom order this oak because it was thick. See, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the cross members, okay? Brand new tires. So, the wheel wells, and the tire underneath's been undercoated. So what we're doing now is I'm putting the walls, kind of laying the walls back out, and I'm gonna see if I can start framing up the walls. So stay tuned. Yeah, vintage trailer restoration.